Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Quai Sankan cut. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Quai Sankan cut, or Key 54, and this pair is in a men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in a white university red black colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Quai Sankan cut. And let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the shoe. And let's lift it out from the box. And giving you that first look at this Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Quai Sankan cut. And doing a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear view of this shoe. And just setting the box to the side, and let's focus on this left shoe first. So giving you a look at this white university red black colorway Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Key 54 OK Sankan cut. And taking a close-up look at the details, you can see that it does have a leather upper, and of course in that high contrast black against the white. And just taking a look around the details of the shoe, and at the back giving you some idea of the silhouette. And on the inner side of the shoe, right there we can see the black Nike swoosh contrasting against the white midfoot panel. And moving forward to the front again at the toe box in white with the perforations on it. And taking a look directly from the front and moving towards the back. We can see the 54 branding on the tongue lace keeper, and of course the white embroidered Nike Air Jordan on the tongue. And as we move towards the back or heel of the shoe and around the ankle collar and taking a look inside, you can see that the laces have red aglets to them, so giving you a look right there. And taking a look inside the shoe, let's pull out the inner card stuffing so we have a clearer look inside. So just setting that to the side as we take a look around the tongue and ankle collar, as well as inner details of this Air Jordan 1 Low Quai Sankan cut. So giving you a close-up look at the labels and details around the shoe. So the tongue is quite plushly padded, as you can see. And exquisitely lined as well. And taking a look around the ankle and heel collar, you can see that it is quite thickly padded as well. With some patterned styling around those details of that fabric around the ankle and heel collar, which continues inside the insole of the shoe. So giving my best to show you the details right here. And now taking a look around the back details to give you some sense of the shape and silhouette of this Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Quai Sankonkat. So we can see that this panel is a label that's been stitched onto the heel counter, which has a fine leather grain finish. So once again giving you that full and detailed look at this Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Quai Sankonkat. So we can see that there are what is a clear grip seal packet of laces attached to the shoe. Of course, we can always remove that, but nonetheless giving you that full look at the shoe. And now taking a look at the bottom or outsole of the shoe, we can see that it does have that very, very bold red color, which is slightly translucent, as we can see that it does just about reveal the white of the midsole. So giving you those close-up details, you can see that it does have a very finely nubbed star pattern right throughout the entire length of the shoe. Or at least around the forefoot, and the pattern slightly changes to a more triangular shaped design as we move towards the back and heel area of the shoe, so giving you that full look at the bottom or sole of the shoe. So if we take a closer in look, and just giving you some sense as I drag my finger along the surface of that outsole. So it does have a rather hard design or texture. Nonetheless giving you those close-up details as to the tread of the sole. And of course, in the midfoot area, we see the traditional Nike branding and swoosh. And of course, once again, taking a look from the outside. And now let's do a flex and bend test to give you some idea of the flexibility or stiffness of the shoe. So just bending with my hands to give you some sense of the way the shoe responds towards, or with some movement, flex and twisting. So you can see that it does have a rather soft design overall with the outsole and upper cover. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So just setting the left shoe down so we can focus on the right shoe. So just bringing the box back in view and peeling back the 23 branded wrapping paper. Now lifting the right shoe out from the box and just setting the box back to the side of the table and just doing some minor readjustments to give you a look at this right shoe, the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Quai 54, or key 54. And let's do a 360 rotation. So once again, you have a full and clear look at this shoe before we take some close-up looks in just a moment. And let me just readjust the tongue so it's more centralized right there with the Nike Air Jordan Jumpman logo. Once again, taking those close-up looks at the fine details of the shoe with that very bold university red bottom or outsole, and of course the white midsole and black panels mixing with the white panels on the upper of the shoe. And we can see that 54 once again. And the street ball and Jordan Jumpman reference. And of course, that textile or fabric ankle and heel collar. And now let's take a look at the pair together. So the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Quai 54. And taking a look side by side from the front to the back. So that's Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Quai 54. Thanks for watching and happy scoring!